Sir, follow-up question lang. Kapag nag-apply ka ng isang ASEAN CPA, may bayad ba, sir?
Yes, mayroon registration fee, very small, mga 1,500.
Ay,
That's
minimal.
it. And then, you'd still need to pay some documentary stamp. Obviously, may mga ganun documents. Other than that, siguro yung pinakamalaking gastos, Sir Randy, Ma'am Cres, is the CPD kasi yung training mo, hindi libre.
20 hours.
Marami-rami yan eh, actually. So, you need to actually get that. So, medyo doon ka gagastos. Other than that, wala na siguro.
Ayun. Partner, kasi may pahabol ka pa ba bago tayo mag-break?
May isa pa, oo. Anong mga hakbang ang ginagawa ng Professional Regulatory Board of Accountancy upang i-promote ang ASEAN CPA sa bansa, sir?
Actually, ang laki ng ginagawa right now nila Chairman Noe Quinonola and Honorable Jerry Piator. They are actually spearheading yung pagmamandate ng pagmamarket ng ASEAN CPA. And again, under their leadership so far, they are actually able to acquire a lot of sa ngayon mga nagre-register. So right now we are asking more of the CPAs na nandyan to get this opportunity because there's no exam. All you need to do register and then get all the CPD requirements. And definitely the PRC BOA is there to assist kasi most of the applications are actually being given to PRC first for them to make sure na nasala na.
Opo.
So yun ang pinakamaganda na nagagawa ng PRC BOA. They are now assisting all CPAs that wants to be an ASEAN chartered professional in order for them to make sure na pag pinasa yan doon sa ASEAN Council, papasa tayo. Kasi lahat po ng mga ASEAN na CPA, they go through the process of being given sa council, sa ASEAN Council. Right now kasi Indonesia yun. So doon papadala. Tayo next year niyan. Dito papadala. So they will be able to approve and include you sa part ng mga ASEAN chartered CPA.
Wow. Yun.